Okay, so we're going to look at formatting, and formatting basically means changing the way something looks. So first off, we're going to look at adding borders. Highlight the area that you would like to add a border to. Here, drop down menu, choose borders. Some people didn't have that drop down menu. If you go to Format, Cells, you can choose border from there, and here you can choose to add or take away or add your border. Okay, so you just click on it, click on where you want your border. Obviously you've got your size as well there. If you didn't have that toolbar, you can also do a right click and again go to Format Cells, and you still can pick up your border then. So you've formatted your cells. Potentially now you would like to merge these so it becomes one cell. You can't use these in a calculation, but they do make a spreadsheet look nicer. So we can merge our cell here. But equally under Format Cells here, we can go to Alignment and we can find Merge Cells. Again, if we didn't have that, we could right click on there. We could go to Format Cells again. We could go to Alignment and then we would merge our cells. Another thing that you might want to do is check your decimal places. At the moment, these are all to one decimal place. I can use this symbol here to move them so they're less or more decimal places, less or more decimal places. So you can guarantee. Again, if you don't have this symbol here, Control Format your cells. It's always under Format Cells because format is to change the way it looks. This time it's looking at the number. So you can tell it what type it is. For example, if it's currency, it will add a sign for you for whatever currency you're working in. But ours is a number. And here you can tell it how many decimal places that you would expect to see from that number. You just click on OK. So there's 3 ways of making that change. What you can also do is highlight an area and use the bar here to change the shading. We'll go for a mute grey. But as before, you can use the Format Cells and change the shading. Other interesting tools to do with formatting is if I've chosen formatting here, I can use a little paintbrush that remembers that formatting, and then wherever I click now, it will have the exact same formatting as those found there. It's quite good if you want to make sure colours are consistent throughout your project. Wrapping text possibly won't be relevant. What it does is it puts text on another line for you, so it allows it to be inside one cell.